So, should you follow your dreams or be realistic? Actually, it's a yes and yes question because it's not about giving up what's working right now and stepping into a whole lot of uncertainty. To follow your dreams means to have a pull motivation in place to power our actions and decisions today, and also to find that one key quality that makes that dream so special to us and bring that level of satisfaction and excite that we are expecting sometime in the future. Bring that quality in everything that we do today. So let's unpack how to follow your dreams no matter where you are at in your life. See, it's not really reasonable to ask someone to quit their job to follow their dream of, say, becoming an artist if they're still struggling with their bills right now, right? Because everything has its priority, and it's not really possible to give your undivided attention to your wants until your needs are in place, until the things with the higher priority are in place. Maslow's hierarchy of needs shows how our basic needs of food, water, shelter, security have to be in place before we can truly focus on going after those things that would bring an inner sense of fulfillment for us. And that, incidentally, is also the reason why you should follow your dream, because doing things aligned with what we truly desire creates a life free of regret, no matter where we end up in life. You know how they say the best time to have a map is before you enter the woods. So, if your dream is to, say, start a business, then use Maslow's hierarchy of needs to create your map to reach there. Chart out all that needs to be done, all that has to be addressed and in place before you can start giving your all to setting up that business. Have a system in place first, like have enough money saved up to cover your next 6 months expenses or any other emergencies. You truly don't want to be worried about having a home base or paying your bills when you are working your socks off to get that business up and running, do you? But even while getting these high priority things in place, you can still follow your dreams and experience that kind of satisfaction that we are expecting sometime in the future. How good it's gonna feel when I finally get the time to do that. Bring that kind of satisfaction to today. And broadly speaking, we can do this in two ways. First, by using that dream or goal as an anchor to create a pull motivation for everything we do today. And second, by finding the key quality. See, we can either be motivated by getting away from something, like I need to exercise to maintain my weight. That's push motivation because we are pushing ourselves to not put on any more weight. That's a state we don't want towards a state that we would like. Or we can be motivated by moving towards something like I need to exercise to enjoy that hiking trip later this year. That's pull motivation. The thought of what awaits us at the end pulling us towards it. And which one do you think would be easier? Someone pushing you while going uphill or someone pulling you on? Because that's when it becomes really difficult to stop, right? When you follow your dreams, when our decisions today follow that map created using the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, when our actions today are anchored to that goal, everything that we do has a pull motivation. You can even use the Cartesian coordinate system to program pull motivation into your decisions. It's essentially about answering 4 questions to check exactly how that action, no matter how big or small, fits in with what we truly want in life. Where does it feature in the grand plan of things? The first question is, what will happen if you do this? How is it going to help you keep moving forward in the right direction? And the second question is, what won't happen if you do this? How is it going to stop you from straying away from your goal? And the next question is, what will happen if you don't do this? And finally, what won't happen if you don't do this? How is this a step towards your dreams? It's about what can you do now to make your dreams come true, and using that clarity to create an intrinsic motivation, a pull motivation that is going to tide us through all the challenges and setbacks that pop up from time to time. And the second way to follow your dreams today is to find the key quality that makes that future goal so enticing, feel so exciting and fulfilling to us, and adding that quality to whatever we do today. See, when we talk of it's my dream to do this or my dream to do that, we are essentially talking about something that makes us feel a certain way, like proud or invincible, accomplished or free or things like that, right? So the thing is to find what about that goal really makes us feel so. Like, say, if my dream is to go skydiving one day, so why is it so important for me? Hmm. I think because it would make me feel utterly free and totally in control. But then, what is it about skydiving that would make me feel so? Is it the adrenaline rush? Or is it the idea that my fears can't control my choices? I think it's going to be the second one for me, triumphing over my fears. And now that I know that, I can start looking for it or including it in everything I do. Like, stop and check every time I say no to something because I fear I can't do that. But one thing needs to be in place for this whole strategy to work effectively, and that's knowing how to move past all the self doubt and uncertainty that go along with any meaningful thing we aim for in life. So, go over here to see how exactly to do that using very simple CBT techniques. I hope you found this useful. Take care, and I'll meet you in the next video.